Hi, I'm Ranger Kelly. I work at Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park. Black Canyon behind me is famous for its gray cliff rock walls. But they haven't always looked like this. The canyon has been carved by the Gunnison River over time. You might be wondering how a river can cut through rock. Well, the answer is, it's happening all the time. The movement of water carries little pieces of rock in it, usually tiny fragments or grains of sand. But sometimes when the rivers are flowing faster, like as the snow melts in the spring or after a big rainstorm, the river can carry much bigger rocks that act like wrecking balls, knocking off other rocks and being carried downstream. This natural erosion works powerfully, sometimes slowly and sometimes fast, to create beautiful landscapes like the Black Canyon, the Dillon Pinnacles formations, and even the Rocky Mountains. Natural erosion is happening all the time. Did you know humans can cause erosion too? At Black Canyon, imagine visitors were hiking off trail near the edge of the canyon and accidentally kicked rocks over the edge. Those rocks might fall and knock other rocks off, and as more visitors come to the park and hike, more rocks are going to be kicked into the canyon. Can you see how this might become a problem? As a park ranger, I help to protect these places, and sometimes that means making rules for park visitors. What rules do you think we should have to prevent people from causing unnatural erosion? Should we say people can't hike at all? Well, that wouldn't be very fun. Instead, we can teach people about why it's important to stay on the trail. That by hiking on the trail, not only will they not kick rocks into the canyon, but they'll also avoid trampling fragile plants. In some places, trail crews have even built special erosion control structures to slow down human-caused erosion. Now, we can't do this alone. We need your help. Will you help us to protect Black Canyon from unnatural human erosion? You can help us by teaching your friends and family about why it's important to stay on the trail. And I encourage you to get outside and to hike and model good, responsible behavior.